Guoko kuraihu kwa watho kumbite thibitari-ini ya Shalom community mwena wa Machakos kuria murugamiriri munene nathi ndagitari na mwendia wa ndawa maikitio ngono thutha wa gukuruhanio na gikuũ kia mwendo kahii ka mieri mugwanja karia gatwaritwo thibitari-ini ucio thutha wa gucinwo guoko ni mai mahiũ na gagithecwo cindano iria itagiriire. Iguru ria uguo Uthuthuria wonanitie ati ndawa iria mwana ucio ari aheo yari ya gukundio no tondu thibitari no ndiari nayo nathi na ndagitari magithugunda kumutheca cindano iria yari na hinya warundire mwana na agikua.
We do not think that our patients, our innocent patients, are actually safe in Shalom Hospital, Machakos. And therefore, I'm ordering for the closure of this hospital.
Arwaru aria othe makomete thibitari-ini uyu mahetwo mathaa 48 guthama na gwetha urigitani thibitari-ini cia Kathiani na Machakos.
The transition of the patients in the wards needs time. So we give the hospital 48 hours to transition the parents in the wards to move to other hospitals. As Machakos government, we've opened up and we are willing to take these patients at our Kathiani and level 5 hospitals free of charge.
Mirango ya thibitari ni irikitie gukanyirwo arwaru othe makigirio kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini ino.
But the hospital should not undertake any new patients. So all the patients that are outpatient who are in the corridors should be dealt with up to 6 o'clock.
Thengia makinya gutacukio gikuũ kia o ringi kiraguria kugonderera wira-ini kwa maabitha urigitani undu uria wongererekete ica ikuhi na uratungia family nyingi hathara ya mwiri, ngoro na muhuko. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.